Hello children, we are learning phonics now, aren't we? We're learning our sounds, really exciting. This is Fred. Say hello to Freddie. And he's always here to help us. He tells us what he thinks, he's having a good look, and then when we start putting Fred sounds together, he'll be here to help us. So Freddie's here, ready. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go through a new sound, and the first sound that we learn is okay, and often I will say that means that you say after me, or I might say my turn, your turn, and then you can do it, okay? And that will be, every single lesson will be the same. So lots of taking turns, and really when you see the sound you must say it, okay? And that's a really good way of learning it. Okay. Good job. Mountain. Mouse. Moon. Mirror. Mountain. Mouse. Moon. Mirror. Mountain. Mouse. Moon. Mirror. See, we can go really quick. I can really tell that you're knowing this sound. Mirror. Mountain. Mouse. Moon. Good job. So the sound we are learning today is Excellent. So we are going to learn the sound, and we're going to have a little bit of help. And you can see there, that is Maisie. Say hello, Maisie. Maisie's going to help us to know how to say the sound, but also how to write the sound. Maisie's a very happy girl. Maisie lives next to a really big mountain. There's Maisie. Can you see? And here are her mountains. You see, she lives next to two really lovely mountains. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Maisie, mountain, mountain. So first, put your finger up in the air and we write it. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Magic fingers. Really easy to do it in the air. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Maisie, mountain, mountain. That's right. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Maisie, mountain, mountain. So, this is how we write it. Hi, Maisie. You're going to help me, aren't you? Okay, now I've made her look a bit suspicious, but she's a really happy girl. Okay, so we go down, Maisie, up, Maisie, mountain, mountain. Oh, that was fun. Let's do it again. Down, Maisie, up, Maisie, mountain, mountain. Down, Maisie, up, Maisie, mountain, mountain. Down, Maisie, up, Maisie, mountain, mountain. You can do it over here now. So, down, Maisie, up, Maisie, mountain, mountain. One sound. We have Marissa beginning with Well done. We have Moses that we know from reception. We have Michael. We have McDonald's. We have Mummy. We have Marvellous. We have Mickey Mouse. We have lots of words. Can you think of any words that begin with So here we are. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Down, Maisie, up, Maisie, mountain, mountain. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Excellent. So that is how we write. We have this lovely little card, and eventually we'll have quite a few of these cards together, and we will know the sound, and then we'll start putting them together. Because when you put sounds together and blend them, you can read a word. It's really, really exciting. So here we go. That's how you say it. M-a-d, mad. M-a-m, mum. Okay? And these will really help us. M-a-d, mud. So, the sound we have learnt today, children, is my turn. Your turn. And the way we write that sound is your turn. Down, Maisie, up, Maisie, mountain, mountain. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Excellent. So you can go now and practice writing it. And when you see it in books or you see it anywhere walking down the street, you might see a big sign with a on your note. And you know that that sign or that label or that display has a in it. Excellent. So off you go. Practice writing your Bye-bye.